more ACs to check. That time of year starts getting a little warm. Everybody's calling to check their air conditioner. Make sure it's alright, the filters, and run the unit. Top them off if you have to. Make sure the refrigerant's okay. Alright, I changed the filter. It was a little bit of shit on there. And I wrote on the box there. A little windy out today out down here, so this is the first company unit. 410. I got one more filter in there. I'm probably gonna need to get us some more. 20 by 20 by 1. It's a common filter. I'm gonna need to get us some more. This one's a little cooler down here. I had to wrap all this duck. I was here a few months ago wrapping the duck. I wonder what they have, some kind of shut-off thing that she was talking about. Yeah. Put some kind of water shut-off device or something that she wanted on this thing. I don't know. I gotta check this filter here. Same thing, 20 by 22 and a quarter by 1. I think I have some of these in the truck. This is the first floor unit. This is an R22 unit. Let's see what this is. Oh yeah. A little dirty there, Mama. A little dirty on that one. I'm gonna need to get us some more filters. I'm gonna need to get us some more filters. He's down one each. That one's a little dirty. Alright. This is the first floor one. The other one's the second. 410A on the second, 22 on the first. I don't know who she else does the oil burner with. It's not me. One, I believe, is a leaker. Alright, I got 8 on the subcooling. Can you see that? 114 on the suction. Superheat's 21, it's got a TXV. 8 on a subcooling, that's fine. subcoolant 6. I'll bring it up a little bit. I'm gonna give it a little douche. A little douche will do you. Bring that subcoolant up a little bit. Subcooling up to 10. 10.9. Suction's at 114. Subcooling's at 11. That's a little better. Leave it right there. We got a Goodman here on the first floor. We're gonna check this one. Alright, we'll run this one. This is R22. I changed it to R22. We'll check this one. This is the first. This is the second floor. We can shut this one off. Mini split here. This seems to be working fine. No issues with this one. Look down there. We got a 74. This one here is only 69 in here. I'll put it to, just to check it. It runs. That first floor Goodman unit. On the 50, the suction should come up a little bit. 51 on the suction. Change the filter inside. Soupy's not bad at 14. Subcooling's a little bit high. Pretty sure it's a piston. So at superheat at 14, 15. See our temperature coming back at 43. Gotta let it run for a bit. That 50 is a little low on the suction, but see our suction temperature coming back at 44. Suction's coming up a little bit. Gotta let it run for a little bit. You don't have a lot of load in there. It's only 69, right? Inside, so. Suction's coming up. This is R22. I like to see that suction above 60. Alright, we're at 60 on our suction. Temperature coming back on the suction line is 44. Superheat's around 10. Well, I can't put any more in it because that suction with the soupy would come down too much. Subcooling's a little high, but it's a piston, so that's it right there. See it? That's gonna be the final. It's fine. Leave it alone. stop at Goodman. He's a runner. 59 in here, low superheat. You know, low superheat because that had well, 70, 74 on an AC. So I'm cooling right now. I changed the filter. I put a new filter in there. I bring my ladder up. Check this one. System's probably 4 years, 3-4 years old here. This one's been in about 5 years. 126 on the suction, superheat's 12, subcooling's about 6. I could probably give it a little bit more. Yes. Subcooling there, bring it up a little bit. Give it a little douche. A little douche will do you, mama. Take much to bring it up. Alright, put a little bit more in there and brought that subcooling up a little bit. 13. Give it a little boost. Leave it right there. I'll leave it at 74. I'm gonna check the mini split too. There's a mini split here. I had to add gas to it last year. Oh, I don't know, looks like the batteries are dead. I put some new batteries in it, we'll see what happens. Look at it. Should start running now. Once it ramps up, we should be about 120 or so on the suction, you know. This is 410. Gotta wait for it to ramp up. Starting to ramp up now, I can hear it. Supposed to put it in by weight, but I mean, if it's a leak, you just gotta kind of top it off. You gotta kind of go by eye, you know. That's not looking bad there at 125 on the suction. Alright, that ain't looking bad. 126 on the suction. 11 degrees superheat. 54 on the temperature line coming back. That's fine. Got some nice heat coming out of here. Good enough for this neighborhood. You're supposed to check it with a, you're supposed to check the mini split, put it in by weight, but alright, so I set it for what? 74, I guess. I thought it was 74. I had it off before I leave it off. We know it works. I put new batteries.